Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iPhone not showing emails in inbox. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if emails are not showing in inbox, I'll show you how can you fix it. So you can see here guys, no other email is showing here. So guys, if new emails are not showing here, and what you have to do guys, just simply have to close this page, and first of all you have to make sure that you're properly connected with the internet. So for that guys, you have to open any browser and load anything. So let me tap here guys. So if it's load easily, then it means you're connected with the internet. So you can also check if you're connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if you're connected with Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data or vice versa. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go back. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to search for the Apple Sports status. So search for Apple status. So let me search here guys. Status check, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on first one. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on plus, and you can easily see here guys, Gmail. You can easily find here guys iCloud mail, and if it's working properly guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to go back, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the settings again, then scroll it down, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on mail app. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on account, and you can easily find here guys, you have to make sure that if you have added the account here, just simply have to tap on add account. If you have added, remove it, and then you have to tap on add account, then tap on Google, and just simply have to add your account here. And after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on fetch new data. Now from here guys, you have to make sure that if you have turned this toggle on, and also make sure that you have check on automatically. Okay guys, just simply have to check on automatically, and then just simply have to force restart your device. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.